off and then reload the whole site. Watch this. We got an ad for Lincoln and Visor. Whoa ho ho. Okay, this is not a bad ad for me because it's a cool car like this car Lincoln. But you don't really want to have an ad, and sometimes these ads can get a little bit ho ho ho. Can get a little bit of that. So what you want to do, you can press this, then boom, reload the site, and then boom, no ad, no ads. Just watching video because you're not focused on not focusing here to watch the ads. You're more focused to watch the YouTube videos. So basically, and we will even test it with the videos and show you which video should I test. Let's test this one. Hopefully I don't get copyright for this. So we're testing this. You won't hear the sound. See, no ads here at all. And yeah, no ads. Except this 1080p and 60. Oh, it doesn't do 60 frames. No ads here on this 12 days of Superbook. Oh yeah, Superbook is doing 12 days of free episodes given on YouTube, so go check that out. Go check it. See, you can skip it. We try on other YouTube videos. Try on teach us how to pray. See, no ad. You could click a whole bunch and there is no ad. See, one more to try again. Oh, let's try this one and see. No ad. A lot of times Superbook does get ads before, even on my computer. It does. I mean, not a computer, on my phone. It does get ads. So Easy Ad Blocker works on many websites too, and will block those annoying ads. It's currently even tells you on the top. It says 23 ads are blocked. So download that extension. All these extensions are all free, no cashy cash to pay. Just get them on Chrome. Next here we have is dark mode. Now me, I like dark mode. Now some people might say I don't really like to put my browser on dark mode, but it's not. I'm not talking about like dark. No. It's basically, for example, you're browsing your computer at night. Your lights are a little bit dim. And the computer light is so bright. Like for example, this screen right now, while I'm doing this a little bit in the dark, is bright. Now dark mode doesn't work on Chrome extension, so yeah, it doesn't work on Chrome extension. But if I was doing YouTube, for example, watch this. Boom, you can see this. Even this thing that's not set light is dark. And look, if you look on the top right, I mean on your left, dark mode does work. Oh yeah, who's this dude? Oh, super fast sale. Wait, that's me. What's up to that dude? I got 87. Thank you for whoever you are. That's up to me. 87. I currently have 11,300 views and 214 videos have I made since 2019. I think 2018, somewhere around 2019. Since I basically do tech videos, but you got a playlist which you should check out on the card right side there. That I do random videos. And I currently have 14 while I'm doing this video, and I'll probably still have 14 while I'm doing this video. So yeah, check that dude out. Next we have it. Sorry, I was just drinking some mango juice. Next we have here is Pushbullet. Now don't take the word wrong. This is a very useful a very useful extension, especially for YouTubers like me or other YouTubers. I could send, for example, if I need to send a file to my if I need to send something to the computer, for example, it's very easy with Pushbullet. This Chrome extension, basically you can send stuff between your computer and phone with no ease. Now keep in mind, if you pay for the premium, you can send as many stuff as you want. It's available for Windows, Mac, Linux. I don't know if anyone used that, and even more. So it's it's useful to YouTubers. So if you're a YouTuber watching this now, use this because this is very useful. You can send, for example, you record a video on your smartphone, you send it to with Pushbullet, or audio, or maybe video. You need you need the premium to do anything, but with Pushbullet you can send audio, and that's how I use it. And that's one of my personal ones that I use with audio. So keep in mind, SFA use that. Now this one is a little bit more play. You know how you see your mouse cursor like this? And you was kind of wondering when I was doing this YouTube video how the mouse is changing to some kind of rocket thing. Now this is called custom cursor for Chrome. Basically, you can do any custom. You don't have to stick with that mouse, the white mouse and that. You can do custom. So basically, it's more of a play around, have fun. I like it. It's not that boring white cursor. No. So for example, if you go up here, you see custom mouse cursors you can do. You could do pizza, you could do green, you could do colors, you could do standards. Like I could do some, for example, I could click this, boom, and then have this awesome sick color. You could do holidays, job, lifestyles, those are loading in. You could do movies and TV, so I could do like a, what is that? What is this? A remote, I think. You can do that. You can have more cursor options, upload, basically just customize your cursor. Now it doesn't work on Chrome extension for this 2019. I don't know if this will work in 2020. I don't know if this will work in 2020, but I just know that the custom cursor for Chrome, it works on all the websites except Chrome extension. And sometimes it doesn't work on some stuff, which I have found kind of a little bit weird. But let's try, for example, YouTube. See, it works, but when I go to here, like, well, actually, it does work on Chrome too. So this one works on Chrome. You got the Team Trees thing, Mr. Beast, and all that stuff. And let's see. And yep, that's pretty much what this one does. Play around, have fun, and you can even watch, that right there. And now this last one, most YouTubers that watch me, you probably use this one already. It starts with a T and a B. TubeBuddy. So basically, this one is very useful. It's basically the extension of TubeBuddy, which helps a lot in YouTubers make good thumbnails, subscriber outreach, keyword researches, channel management, and sort of all that stuff. This is what I actually use for my YouTube, so I can see how many views it gets, how many likes. It does a lot of stuff. This makes YouTube easier. It does all the little works and some of the big works very easier. It helps you make cool thumbnails, so that's why you see some of my thumbnails without that advertisement thing on the bottom right side. You can see that's what I use personally. And some of you YouTubers that are watching me right now, you probably already know you use this too. If you don't, you probably use something similar. It's basically, that is what, and that's pretty much what it does, as you see here. And that is pretty much all, unless you already clicked the cards that were there, like Alexa Smart Home and the favorite game that I played. That's pretty much all I have for you. So thank you for watching all these 5 cool Chrome extensions, which are very good to use in the rest of this 2019 year, and while we're coming up to the 2020 year, new decade as they say. Hopefully some new stuff come, like new technology like Galaxy S20 or S11. I'm hearing that it could be called S20 or S11. If it's called S20, it's gonna match with the year. But I'm not here to talk about that. That could be another separate video though. But thank you for learning how to download cool Chrome extensions to your computer. And yeah, you can download AdBlocker. You can tell your friends about these. Especially for example in school. One time I had to download a AdBlocker for my teacher, and she's happy because now when she goes to YouTube to teach us something like a video from something, she don't have to worry about those annoying ads, because sometimes those ads can get a little bit too far. A little bit too much, and sometimes you just need to cancel them out, and sometimes you can't just pay YouTube Premium. So this is the best option for blocking ads on YouTube. So if you use a lot of YouTube like me, it's the best for Chrome and web browser. So thank you for watching me, super fast. Don't forget to sub, like, hit the bell, hit all notifications, because the bell sometimes doesn't work too much. Hopefully it works on your end. And if it doesn't work too much, you should probably check me out. And then I basically do interesting tech videos and show you cool ways how to do it on your computer. So 5 cool ways to do it. And thank you for